What does different level of TOL by TNW ratio communicates? Let's see. When the ratio is 4:1, it means 4 is the debt and 1 is the equity. So the total funds are 4 plus 1, 5. So 4 out of 5 is the debt and 1 out of 5 is the equity, which means 4 out of 5 means what? 80%. 80% is the debt and 20% is the equity. So this business is predominantly run with the support of outsiders funds. So this business has higher financial risk. Financial risk is very high. When the ratio is 2:1, it means they have 2 rupees of debt for every 1 rupee of equity. The total is 2 plus 1, 3. So 2 by 3 is the debt and 1 by 3 is the equity, which means 67% is the debt and 33% is the equity. Here the financial risk is moderate. And if you look at this case, 1:1, it means 1 rupee is the debt and 1 rupee is the equity. So total is 2. So 1 on 2 is the debt and 1 on 2 is the equity. So it is 50-50%. So here the financial risk is very less. So TOL by TNW ratio of different levels will communicate different level of financial risk associated with the long-term solvency of the business.